how to withdraw money from Bitget to Ameriabank. Now, first of all, open the Bitget account and from the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. Now, after that, scroll down a little bit and you will be able to see under popular the P2P option. I'll tap on it. Now, because we want to withdraw, you need to select the sell option. And after that, select the token that you want to withdraw. For this case, it will be USDT. And now set the limit that you want to withdraw, like 100. Now after that, select the currency that you want to receive your money on. After you select it, now you can tap on method to select your bank. In this case, it will be Ameriabank. Now just tap on it here, like that, and tap on it. After that, select your merchant that you want to withdraw money from, and after you click on it, now tap on go to settings, and now tap on ads. Now here from the search bar, now just type the bank name and tap on it. And after that, here you can provide the account number of that bank and the payment details. After that, tap on confirm to add your Ameriabank. After that, go back, and as you can see here, tap on sell, and you can now withdraw your money from Bitget to Ameriabank. So this is how to withdraw money from Bitget to Ameriabank. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.